Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to be building two arms that are going to change the direction of the push rod in order to open the bolts in the lid of this box. The arm on the left is simply going to pivot on itself and pull the side bolt into the lock. And the arm on the right is going to pull downwards on the bolt that's mounted on the front face of the lock. I'm going to be forging these arms out of a length of 3/8 mild steel square bar. And once again, I'm just going to be making them a lot longer than they need, and I'll trim them down to size later. The first step in forging these arms is to create an offset that's going to define the transition between the pivoting block and one half of the arm. Even though one arm is bent to a 90-degree angle and the other one is left straight, they're both forged basically the same way. Here I'm just taking another heat to draw the rest of the arm to length. Next I need to start getting the arm into its final shape, so I need to bend this half of the arm around to form that 90-degree angle. So as you can see, this offset is actually forming the outside square corner for the pivot block for this arm. Here I'm just using an anvil block with a little bit tighter radius on the corner to further refine the shape. Now that I have the corner squared up the way that I want, I'm ready to form the offset that's going to define the inside edge of that pivot block. Now that I have the material sectioned off for the pivot block, I can continue shaping the other half of the arm. And then once again, I'm going to use the anvil block to get the shape as close as I can to where I want it. Once again, I'm going to be doing a lot of file work on this, so this isn't a finished piece. I'm just trying to get it as close as I can to where I want it, but I want to make sure that I leave enough material to be able to clean it up and get a nice crisp edge that I want. Now that I have the corner shaped the way that I want, I've cut the piece from the bar, and that's just going to allow me to finish drawing out the arms. Now I'm going to start working on the straight arm, and as I mentioned earlier, it's done exactly the same way, only without the corner bend. And here are the two arms side by side. The one on the left is just left as forged. The one on the right has had a little bit of file work done, so you can see how it's cleaned up quite a bit and the edges are quite a bit sharper. Hi, I'm Dennis and thanks for watching. If you're interested in supporting this channel, the simplest way, of course, is to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have questions and you want to contact me directly, you can do so by emailing me at either one of the addresses that I have listed here. It may take me a couple of days, but I will get back to you. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.